Hey, Lily, how's it going?
Hey, Max. I'm good, thanks. Just got back from the gym. How about you?
Same here. I had an intense cardio session this morning. What did you do at the gym?
I focused on strength training today, trying to build up those muscles. Do you have a favorite workout?
I love running. It clears my mind and gives me a great workout. Do you prefer lifting weights or doing cardio?
I like a mix of both. Cardio for the heart and weights for strength. Keeps things balanced. Do you follow any specific diet?
I try to eat healthy, mostly. Lots of fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. What about you?
Same here. I also make sure to stay hydrated. Did you know that sometimes when you feel hungry, you're actually just thirsty?
Yeah, I've heard that. Drinking enough water is so important. Here's a joke for you. Why did the gym close down?
Haha, why?
It just didn't work out.
Good one, Max. Do you have any tips for staying motivated to work out?
Setting small, achievable goals helps me. And finding a workout buddy. How do you stay motivated?
I make a fun playlist and reward myself after a good workout. It's the little things that keep me going. Have you tried any fitness apps?
Yes, I use a running app that tracks my distance and pace. It's really motivating to see my progress. Do you use any?
I use a yoga app. It has great guided sessions for different skill levels. Speaking of yoga, have you ever tried it?
I have, actually. It's harder than it looks. But it's great for flexibility and relaxation. Do you practice yoga regularly?
Yes, a few times a week. It really helps with stress. Do you think mental health is as important as physical health?
Definitely. They go hand in hand. Exercise can really boost your mood and reduce anxiety. Do you have any mental health tips?
Meditation and deep breathing exercises work wonders for me. And, of course, staying active. What about you?
I like to take breaks and go for walks in nature. It's refreshing and clears my mind. Here's another joke. Why don't some couples go to the gym?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because some relationships don't work out.
Nice one, Max. So, do you take any supplements or vitamins?
I take a multivitamin and sometimes protein shakes after workouts. How about you?
Same here. I also take vitamin D, especially in the winter. Do you get regular checkups?
Yes, I think it's important to stay on top of health. Better safe than sorry, right?
Absolutely. Prevention is better than cure.
So, do you have a favorite healthy snack?
I love a good smoothie, packed with fruits and sometimes some spinach. What's yours?
Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. It's delicious and full of protein. Do you meal prep?
Yes, it saves so much time and helps me stick to healthy eating. Do you?
I do. It makes life so much easier during busy weeks. Do you have a go-to meal?
I love making a big batch of veggie stir fry. It's quick, easy, and healthy. What's yours?
Grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies. Simple but tasty. Do you follow any fitness influencers?
Yes, I follow a few on Instagram for workout ideas and motivation. Do you?
Same here. It's great to see others' progress and get new tips. Do you think social media helps with fitness?
It can, if used positively. It's all about balance and not comparing yourself too much. Do you agree?
Absolutely. Everyone's fitness journey is unique. It's more about being the best version of yourself.
So true. Have you ever tried any fitness challenges?
Yes, I did a 30-day push-up challenge once. It was tough but rewarding. Have you tried any?
I did a plank challenge. My core was on fire. Challenges can be a fun way to push yourself. Do you enjoy group workouts?
I do. The energy is infectious and it's motivating to work out with others. Do you?
Yes, especially classes like spinning or HIIT. It's like having a personal trainer. What's your favorite group class?
I love boot camp classes. They're intense, but you feel great afterwards. Have you ever tried them?